Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to print a large data sheet on a single page in Microsoft Excel. Right over here you can see I have some dummy data distributed into 8 columns and 62 rows. When I'm gonna print this particular sheet on a single page, it extends beyond the single page. Let me show you. You can press Ctrl P from your keyboard or go to File and click on Print. Right over here you can see it shows actually there are 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if you look at this print preview carefully, you could see we have only 5 columns. But in our actual sheet we have 8 columns. This means some of the columns are going to be printed on next sheet. So this would actually mess up everything. Now let me show you how we can actually make this data to be printed on just a single sheet. Simply come over here into this page setup option, and here you see we have this option no scaling. Simply click on this drop down arrow, and right over here you can see we have multiple options. First let me show you fit all rows on one page. If you click over here you can see now we have only 2 pages, but the second page looks extremely weird as it is just a single column that would be printed on this next page. Of course, this is not what we want. Again, simply come over here and click on fit all columns on one page. And there you go. Now we have only one page. All the data gets accommodated onto just single sheet. But one caveat of this method is that you are going to have a printed sheet with pretty small fonts. Let me go back again to no scaling over here. Again, you can see we have 5 pages, and let me show you just single option to fit everything onto this single page. Go again over here, and this time you can see we have this option fit sheet on one page. Simply click over here and there you go. Now you can get a print of this page on a single sheet. There also exists one more method that is also used frequently by Excel expert. Let me show you. Go back. Click on View tab and choose this particular option, Page Break Preview. And now over here you can see this is going to be the page 1, this is page 2, this is page 3, and this is going to be page 4. Now what you can do, simply bring your cursor, this plus sign, right onto this green dotted line, hold the left mouse button and drag it towards right like this, and now you can see earlier the data that consisted of multiple pages now gets accommodated only on a single page, and now you can get a print of it. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.